I don't know how much you guys can see right now, but absolutely insane Supra right now. Let me show you guys the engine bay real quick. I'll probably give you a good idea as to what we're working with here. Yeah. Yeah. Fans of HKS around here, as you guys can tell. Super nutty, man. So the homies were super kind enough to let me wash the Z over here, because as you guys remember, it was super crazy, like calcium-y. But we got a bunch of racket over here. Let's see what the hell these boys are doing over here. The Supra's fired up, making a whole bunch of banging noises. I think we got more flames going down here.
Can we try something real quick? Fucking fire protector on the firewall. It's burning up when you go.
Really?
Yeah, go see.
See that little red spot? That's fire. It was fire. She spitting some nice flames or what?
Yeah, so
yeah.
Put on a switch, so it'll be two-step, and once it flips the switch, that's when the...
Ah, okay, that's when the show starts.
So you have launch control, and then you have two-step. Do you do some heat rollers now?
Yes. What kind of cams are in here?
GS.
Jesus, bro.
Yeah, it's alive.
You can feel that in your chest, man. Yes, victory.
I'm buying steaks for everybody.
Yes.
You get a steak.
Woo! We all get steaks.
Everybody gets a steak. GSC's S2s, 274s.
274s, okay. Now you got dual valve springs or single valve springs, or what do you got going on for the headwise? Probably duals, right?
I think I have duals, Brian Cora.
Yeah, okay. Because that's what I need to do is just build my head a little bit. Damn.
Hope your stay isn't boring.
No, it's the opposite, my dude.
Yeah, I just realized today when I was playing with the Z that the rally into like overlays the regular one. Or not the regular one, the launch control.
Yeah.
So once the launch control's done, the rally stays active.
Okay.
So even off that initial just two-step, you still get the rally.
Yeah.
You like the idle the way it is? Yes.
Yes. Damn. Yeah, they were like, how long do you plan on staying? I was like, I'll hang out for a little bit. This is why we hang out for a little bit. I might be here a little longer.
This is HP Logic night.
That's right. This is the night. This is just another night here at HP Logic.
We're gonna drive this afterwards.
Oh my God.
That's off. That's what I sound like when I leave.
Hell yeah, man.
Taco Bell.
Taco. Wait, I thought it was steaks.
No.
I thought it was prime ribs, man.
That was in the past.
Taco Bell works.
I'll go fancy quesadillas for everybody. Whatever you want.
I'm sorry if I called this a 240. This is a 180. My stupid ass. Come on.
Yeah, we're driving now. That's switched on.
You want to jump down?
Okay. Say no more, man. It's a good day. This is a good day. Dang, man. I gotta move out here. This is too good. Like, I could get used to this, bro. Man, first time in a GTR, first time in a Supra. It's a good day, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's the famous car with the fighter.
I was gonna say, man, this interior is on point, bro. Like the door panels, all the carbon.
Yeah.
Are these full custom door panels, or can you buy these?
You can buy them, but they're all full carbon fiber, and they come in blank. They have a bigger speaker grill. I was never a fan of it.
Okay.
So I bought these little ones with the chrome ring around it.
Yeah, man, looks like factory. Super clean, man.
I try to make it to.
It's like a TRD like special version. It's
exactly.
nice, bro. I like it.
and this is a BMW e-brake handle.
Really?
Yeah, I just made it fit.
No way! Yeah. Dude, I love it. So what's this one pushing?
Last time we dined it was 740.
Oh shit.
At only 24 pounds.
Wow.
That was on a different turbo because we were having problems with that turbo.
Right, okay. He's just...
Yo, I just hit 5,000 followers on Instagram. I'm shooting flames out the exhaust. I don't know how to act right now.
Hey, follow this guy on Instagram right now, right here.
Yo,
you have to let me know what it is.
I walk around with my pinky up.
Damn, bro, check that out.
Yeah.
Look at this snowman.
That's 30? Yeah. Right 35.
More. Damn, bro. Flames for everyone today. Everyone gets a flame. Jesus. Got a visit from the boys. The boys. Yeah, you did say something about the cops showing up. Surprised it took them that long. Yeah, they're like, we don't care, but we got calls.
Right behind them.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That's funny, man. What we got going on in here? So right now we're actually just going ahead and trying to find a little bit of a vacuum leak on Marcus's SR. I'm going to use a bit of brake cleaner, and that kind of shows you where the leak could be. We're back. It was dope to see Marcus again, and I think we're gonna go ahead and go and see Chris tomorrow. I think. Actually, speak of something, bro. Like it's insane how nice these guys are. So they already offered me a place to stay if I need to stay another night. So Marcus actually said I could stay at his place with Rudnick tomorrow, and Roberto actually also offered a place to stay. So really, really hospitable guys, man, and it really does mean a lot. So I appreciate it. I don't know if they're watching or not, but thank you guys. So we are obviously, I mean, it's 2 o'clock now, and I literally just got a copyright strike for my latest video that is going up today. So now I got to redo the whole edit. I mean, the edit took me like a good 2 hours, so now I got to redo the whole thing with a different song, so that's always a good time. But alright guys, I appreciate you chilling with me today. Huge shout out again to HB Logic. A lot of fun, guys. Go ahead and follow them if you guys don't already. I'm sure you do. I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy. Have a good night. Peace, guys.